MC and welcome to the ridiculously loud Caterham 620R. Now this video is brought to you by carholder.com, the online place for all your car show needs. Now tonight I am taking this loud Caterham for a little drive in the evening. It's dusk right now, and when I say loud, this exhaust runs at about 103 decibels, the same as my 5.7 litre V8 Cobra. So yes, it's loud, and I did take it for a drive in the evening the other day and it shot a few flames. So I'm going to capture some flames. Apparently it shoots a good amount of flames. I'm going to try and get into the car whilst filming. There we go, I've got the knack for it. Caterham have kindly lent me this car for the weekend, and this is probably my final drive in the car, so I need to make the most of it. So it's evening, there's not much traffic on the roads, and I've got to grips with this car, and well, apart from the harnesses, which I am sat on. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you a bit of that, which has changed colour since I had it from the heat. So it wasn't that colour, it was silver. Now that's what heat does to an exhaust. So there you go. Right, 4-point harness, you know the gist. It is pretty simple. It's pretty much the same as what I got in the Cobra. So yeah, let's go for a drive. Right, so if you haven't seen any other videos of this car that I have filmed, you won't know that it has a sequential gearbox and a twin plate clutch, but I think I've got the knack. There we go, that's me pulling off on gravel. There we go. There's some people playing football. Right. Everyone looks at you in this car. It's probably the sound of the gearbox. So it's nice to have this car to allow me to do so. I probably will need some kind of eye protection, but all I got is sunglasses, so nope. And this is the fastest car that you probably ever could drive. It's out of this world. No words, no video can explain really how fast this car is. I try to put it into words, I try to show you how fast it is, but you will never know unless you drive one. And having a passenger makes a huge difference. Say a 90 kilogram passenger, that's a lot of weight on top of a 545 kilogram car. But I've got some national speed limit ahead. I need to drop it down to, I know, I'll keep it in second just to, you know, stay safe. And let's plant it. when this car goes back to Caterham, I'm afraid I'm going to have to go with it. I've lost my voice in this car. It's awesome. It's just awesome. So a huge thanks to Caterham for lending me this car. Please let me have another go. Give me a go round a track, because that'll be another thing. That'll just be amazing. But I really do hope you enjoy these series of videos I made for this car. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all these updates and what I'm up to. But for